Hey friends, welcome to Worldwise channel. If you are an affiliate marketer or you're just starting out as an affiliate marketer and you want to promote your affiliate product without spending a dime, you are in the right place. So in this video, I am going to show you step by step how to use Google and ChatGPT to promote your affiliate product for free. Okay, so no complicated skill, no complicated tools, no paid ad, just a smart strategy that is working. Are you ready? Let's go. So here are a brief what we are going to cover in this video. I'm going to show you how to find trending keywords using Google. I'm going to also show you how to generate SEO optimized content using ChatGPT. I'm also going to show you how to create attractive blog posts, video scripts, and also social media posts, all for free. And finally, I'm going to show you how to plug in your affiliate link naturally and effectively. So those are the things we are going to cover in this video. So now let's head over to Google search. All right, we want to type in a keyword that is related to our niche in Google search. Let's say I am promoting a fitness supplements. Okay, so I want to type in best ways to lose weight fast as a keyword. Let's search that. Okay, that's open. Now what you want to do is to scroll down so where you will find people also search for. Now under here you will see topic like weight loss pills. You also see the first one is fastest way to lose weight for women. The second one is weight loss pills. The third one, how to lose weight naturally. What to eat to lose weight. How to lose weight fast without exercise, and the rest of them. So you want to write down this topic as a keyword. Just jot them down. Alright, jot all of them down. Now after jotting them down, the next thing we are going to do is we will take one of these topics. The reason why we are coming here is the fact that this is where the real gold is. These are real questions that people are asking every day. These questions you are seeing here, or this topic you are seeing here, are what people are searching for on a daily basis. Alright, so you have to jot them down, and after jotting them down, we want to go with one of them. Now let's say we are going with weight loss pills. So the next thing we are going to do now is to turn over to ChatGPT. Right? Again, you can also use Google Trend to find out what is trending right now related to your niche. What is trending in your niche right away. So you can use Google Trend to find out. Or you can also use Reddit or Quora. Look for the questions that people are asking and then use that as a keyword. Alright, and let's take one of these. Like I said earlier, we are going with weight loss pills. We'll ask ChatGPT to write 500-word blog posts explaining in details, including the pros and the cons, and also subtle affiliate suggestions. This is what we are going to tell ChatGPT to write. Now, if you don't like to go this far, you can just go straight to tell ChatGPT to write you an attractive blog post that you can share on social media. Alright, I'm going to tell ChatGPT to write me to say, please help me write a product promotional script that I can share on social media from this info. Then I'm going to type in the info. The info we wanted to go with was weight loss pills. Weight loss pills. Right? That is the info. Weight loss pills. So let's see what ChatGPT will do. Now, you see, the beauty of this is the fact that Chat also included for us hashtags that we can use. Okay, let's copy this, and after copying this, we have to go ahead to edit this. So what Chat is writing to us has to do with belly fats or burning of fat. Okay, so the product I'm going to include a link here, will have to be something that will work on this. Alright, so I'm going to look for my affiliate product that has to do with burning of fats. Okay, let me use this weight loss moringa. This is the one I'm going to use. So I copy the link and then include this here. So now my script is ready. So what will happen now is that I will copy this script. Okay, so when you come to Instagram, you open it up like this, click the plus sign to upload your image. This is very simple. I believe some of you know how to do this. Okay, you click on next, right? You click on next here, and then you drop your information. Okay, drop your information. If you want, like myself, I've already connected my Facebook. So if you want it to share on Facebook, you can also include, you add it here to this option. If you want what you are doing here to show on Facebook, you can. But this particular one, I don't want it to show on Facebook, so don't share this post. Okay, then I go ahead to share. It's already delivered. Up here, it's already delivered. Can you see? So whenever people are reading this, they will see your link, they will use your link to buy your product. That is that, sharing on social media, which is very simple. Now let's work on, if we are using this to create a script for YouTube, all we need to do is to tell ChatGPT to use the same info to create a product promotional script for YouTube video. Enter. The script is now ready. So all you need to do is to prepare it and then use it to create your own video. Now, if your video is a faceless video, let me show you how to use this information to create a video for yourself. All you need to do first is to copy the information. Okay, copy this. Take note of where they are saying chat is telling you to include your link. And after copying, you have to edit so as to match what you are promoting. Look at where chat is telling you to say your brand. So you have to include your brand here, what you are promoting. So what is your brand name? You include it here. In this case, I'm promoting Moringa Actives. So I will now include my product name there. There's another place say show testimonial. So you have to include a testimonial here. So we have to copy that from the website of our products. Now here is another place we have to include our product name, Moringa Active. Okay, it's a place that talks about testimonial. So we are going to edit that, and let's go to the website. Let's find testimonial. Let's take this testimonial. There is a testimonial. So we copy that. You know how to do all the editing. Okay, so we have included a testimony here. So after doing all the necessary editing, we now copy this script. We now go to, I'll drop the link of this AI that you can use to create your faceless video. Now go to Fit AI or any other AI that you have been using to create your own faceless video. You tap on this icon where you normally drop your script here. Let's see what bit we do. Good. Now let's generate it here. The app is generating my video. My video is ready. The next thing I'm going to do is to download. I'm going to download my video. It's on. Downloading is on. Now my video is ready. I will drop the link of this app that you can be using to generate your faceless video for free in the description section of this video. Now let's see the video. Here's the video.
Are you battling stubborn weight? Exhausted from endless workouts and strict diets that just don't work? Introducing the game changer you've been waiting for. Moringa Active's weight loss pills. These powerful capsules are packed with natural ingredients designed to ignite fat burning, boost your energy, and curb those pesky cravings.
Yeah.
Whether you're just starting your journey or have tried everything, these easy...
So that's it. We're not going to watch all the video because of the time, alright? So After generating your video, you go ahead to share them on your social media, especially your YouTube. Okay, now while you are uploading this video to your YouTube, whether faceless video or the video you've made by yourself, while uploading this video, make sure to use those other keywords that you've written down. Remember, I told you to write some of these keywords that we search from Google down. Now, while uploading this video to your social media or YouTube, especially YouTube, while uploading this video to your YouTube, make sure to use those other keywords you've written down. Copy all of them and go to ChatGPT. When you come to ChatGPT, tell Chat to generate keywords for me from this info. Okay, now type in those keywords that we've written down. For example, how to lose belly fat overnight, how to lose belly fat overnight. That was one. The second one was fastest way to lose weight for women. Fastest ways to lose fat. Fastest way to lose weight for women. Fastest way to lose weight for women. So just write down all the keywords, alright? How to lose weight naturally. How to lose weight naturally. The next one was how to lose weight fast without exercise. How to lose weight fast without exercise. So we are telling ChatGPT to generate keyword from this for us. Now, let's see what Chat will do. See, the keywords are ready. You see. Make sure you copy all of these and include in the keyword section of your video. Upload to your channel. Don't fail to include the product affiliate link in the description section of your video. So like I said, while uploading your video to YouTube, remember to include your affiliate link in the description section of your video, because while your viewers will be viewing your video, this is where they can now access the product and then buy from your link, and that is how you get paid. All right, so these are what you need to do. So after doing this, you need to keep repeating this process, keep creating videos using this method and keep uploading. As you keep doing this, over time you will continue to build traffic, build trust, and that will also lead to sales. Okay, that is how you will start making money from your affiliate product using ChatGPT and Google for free. So please, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share to others. If you have any comments or question, drop it in the comment section. If you have any part of this video you've not really follow up or you don't understand, drop the question or the comments in the comment section and I will attend to it. See you in the next video. Bye for now.